Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about taxes in the United States. First, let's define what taxes are. Taxes are payments made to the government, typically on a regular basis, in order to fund public goods and services. In the United States, taxes are collected at the federal, state, and local levels. The federal government collects taxes on income, payroll, and certain goods and services. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, is responsible for enforcing federal tax laws and collecting taxes. The amount of taxes you owe is determined by your income level and filing status. The United States has a progressive tax system, which means that the more income you earn, the higher the percentage of taxes you will pay. In addition to federal taxes, many states also collect their own income taxes and have different tax rates and laws. Some states, like Florida, Texas, and Nevada, don't have state income taxes, while others, like California, New York, and Vermont, have higher tax rates. Employers are also required to withhold federal and state taxes from their employees' paychecks, which are known as payroll taxes. These taxes are used to fund Social Security and Medicare programs. Besides income taxes, there are also other types of taxes that individuals and businesses may have to pay. For example, sales taxes are collected on the purchase of goods and services, and property taxes are collected on real estate. It's important to note that there are various deductions and credits that can lower your tax bill. For example, deductions for charitable donations, student loan interest, and medical expenses can reduce your taxable income. Credits, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit, can directly lower the amount of taxes you owe. Filing taxes can be a complex process, and it's recommended that you seek the help of a tax professional or use tax software to ensure that you're complying with all laws and getting the most deductions and credits possible. In conclusion, taxes are a necessary part of funding public goods and services, and it's important to understand the different types of taxes and how they apply to you. Remember to stay informed and consult with a professional if needed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more informative videos like this. Another important aspect of taxes in the U.S. is the concept of tax reform. Tax reform refers to changes made to the tax code, which can include changes to tax rates, deductions, and credits. Tax reform can have a significant impact on individuals and businesses, and it's important to stay informed about any potential changes. Recently, the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act was passed in 2017, which made significant changes to the tax code, including reducing the corporate tax rate, increasing the standard deduction, and limiting certain deductions. These changes are set to expire in 2025, unless they are extended or made permanent. Another topic related to taxes is tax evasion and fraud. Tax evasion refers to not reporting or underreporting income in order to avoid paying taxes, while tax fraud refers to using false information or claiming false deductions in order to pay less taxes. Both tax evasion and fraud are illegal and can result in severe penalties. In addition to taxes imposed by the U.S. government, many U.S. citizens who live abroad or have foreign income are also subject to taxes imposed by foreign countries. The U.S. operates under a system of citizenship-based taxation, meaning that all U.S. citizens and green card holders are subject to U.S. taxes regardless of where they live, but there are ways to avoid double taxation through foreign tax credit or by exclusion of foreign earned income. In short, taxes are an essential part of funding public goods and services, and it's important to stay informed about tax laws and changes, as well as be aware of your rights and responsibilities as a taxpayer. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to consult with a tax professional or the IRS. Another important aspect of taxes in the U.S. is the concept of tax planning. Tax planning is the process of organizing your financial affairs in a way that minimizes your tax liability. Tax planning can be done throughout the year, not just at tax filing time. This includes taking advantage of tax-saving opportunities, such as maximizing your contributions to a 401k or IRA, and considering the tax implications of major financial decisions, such as buying or selling a home or starting a business. Another important aspect of tax planning is estate planning. Estate planning is the process of organizing your financial affairs in a way that maximizes the transfer of your assets to your beneficiaries, while minimizing the impact of taxes and other expenses. This includes creating a will, setting up trusts, and gifting assets to your beneficiaries. One of the most important aspects of tax planning for businesses is understanding the tax implications of different business structures. The most common business structures are sole proprietorships, partnerships, limited liability companies, LLCs, and corporations. Each structure has different tax implications, and it's important to understand how they will impact your business before making a decision. In the US, the tax code is very complex and is subject to constant changes. It's therefore essential to stay informed and keep up with the latest tax laws and regulations. This can be done by subscribing to tax newsletters, attending tax seminars, or consulting with a tax professional. Another important aspect of taxes in the US is the concept of tax havens. A tax haven is a country or territory that offers low or no taxes to non-resident individuals and businesses. Some examples of tax havens include Bermuda, the Cayman Islands, and the British Virgin Islands. While it is legal to invest or have a bank account in a tax haven, it is illegal to not report foreign income or assets to the IRS and not pay taxes on them. The IRS has been cracking down on tax evasion through the use of tax havens, and has implemented laws such as the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, FATCA, and the Common Reporting Standard, CRS, to help identify and collect taxes on foreign income and assets. In conclusion, taxes are an essential part of funding public goods and services, but it's also important to understand how taxes impact your personal and business finances. Tax planning, estate planning, and staying informed about tax laws and regulations can help you minimize your tax liability and make the most of your money. Remember to consult with a tax professional if you have any questions or concerns.